Once you have installed the Nest software on your PC, you're ready to go. Log on to the Nest using your domain, login, and password. It is recommended that you check the Keep Connected box so you don't have to re-enter the login information. The Nest home screen has three functions: Supervision, Setup Machine, and Upload to Nest. The Supervision function is the information center of the Nest, where you can review machinery diagnoses, see when machines were last checked, and generate and view reports. Under Setup Machine, you can create locations and create machines. The Upload to Nest function is where the machines you want to diagnose are sent from the Hawk to your PC. So let's try it out. In our example, we are going to set up a pump. We will make a new location called Pump House and make a new machine called Potable Water Pump. In this example, the machine is 100 horsepower, running at 1785 RPM. From the Nest home screen, select Setup Machine. The initials beside the database icon will be different than what you see located here. In our case, ours is SRI. Click on the arrow for the drop-down menu. Double-click on Asset Hierarchy. From here, select Manage. Select New Location. This allows you to name the location of the machine in your facility, making future identification and reference easy. We will name our location Pump House. All required fields will be highlighted in red. We will also give it an abbreviated name. Once this is done, click on Save to save this location. This location is now stored in your Asset Hierarchy. Double-click on Asset Hierarchy to open it. Click on Pump House to select it. Click on Manage and select New Machine. There are 5 categories in the Machine Setup screen. Identity, where the machine is named. Schematic, where the machine is built. Photo, where a photo or graphic of the machine can be placed. Documents, where machine reports can be linked and stored. Strategy, where machine measurement dates and times are listed. Let's focus on identity. Only the machine name and the abbreviated name is required. We will name our machine Potable Water Pump and abbreviate it as PUC-1001. Click Apply to continue. Now select Schematic. Choose Driver to select a motor. Click and hold with your mouse and drag it over to the right in the blank area and release. The component properties for the driver will be displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. After the machine is built, you can edit any component's properties by clicking on the desired component. Our pump is 100 horsepower and runs at 1785 RPM. So under Component Properties, type in 100 for power and 1785 for output speed. If you know the bearing type, such as rolling elements or sleeve bearings, you can enter it here. Bearing numbers are not required at this time. Go to Couplings and select either a flexible or rigid coupling. In our example, the coupling is flexible. Drag and drop the coupling into the blank area. Dragging a coupling near a driving component will cause them to snap together. If you know the number of coupling elements, you can input that as well. Finally, go back to Driven and choose a pump. Drag and drop it in and connect it to the coupling. You can choose the type of pump, between bearings or overhung. Our example is overhung. You can choose the mounting, such as a rigid base or isolators, as well as the number of blades or vanes. Our example is a 9-vane pump impeller. Choose Apply to save your work. And that's all there is to building a machine in the Nest.